this is your captain speaking. We are currently cruising at a comfortable 31,000 feet. If you look out there to your left, just now you will see the Grand Canyon.
Ah!
Told you we could fly!
Oh my God!
Direct to New York!
My mouth is so dry!
And we clear your name!
It's so unpleasantly cold! Oh, the Stone Crews do this!
He doesn't whine like a little bitch!
What was that? What is that?
Oh! Ah! I'm sorry, Eddie, but I've got to disappear.
What now?
We're in deep shit.
Why did you do that?
I will explain.
No! No! Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and say that this is the shittest hangover of all time.
Look at it, Eddie. Isn't it just astonishing?
Shut up.
I don't think I mind living here forever.
We just came face to face with a literal death machine. Forever seems pretty optimistic.
With the decommissioning of Area 51, will the Pentagon finally admit that they've been holding UAP?
That's unidentified aerial phenomena to you.
Yeah, Dad, we know.
But I wouldn't give to see who built one of those things.
That's why we cashed in our savings and came on this road trip, babe. So you could finally get to see.
That's bullshit.
Yeah, well, what if I'm right?
Then I really hope we don't end up in an alien space lab with probes up our asses. We're dead.
Asses.
Kicked up some gravel there. Hang tight, family.
You good? That was wild.
Did the dog vomit?
Yeah.